The 2008 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and a split folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.